All right, if you're looking for a good clamshell for your laptop, Urban Armored Gear has you covered here. This is really nice. So taking it right out of the box, it's basically all together in one piece. And you just pop it in on the bottom, pop it in on the top, and you're done. It has all the cutouts for all of your ports and even the vents that are on it. So when you want to make sure that you have the heat coming out of that, you don't want your case blocking it. And that's going to be perfect for that. So when you close it, you can see it's got a really nice shell. I love the design to it, and it just makes my laptop look that much better. This is really nice. And I also love the little silicone padding right here for when you open it and close it. It has like, it kind of sits down perfectly on the desk, so it looks really cool. And it also is not going to wear it out or not going to make any snapping noises like some of the other ones would. So just really high quality. It looks great. It doesn't add any more weight really, and also it doesn't add any more like girth to it as well. It has some like padded feet to it so that it's not going to slide around on your desk too much. It's going to be perfect for that. All in all, it's a great design and just works really well. I highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.